Hi, I'm Zoe McFarlane from AuctionsPlus, running you through how to tailor your experience on the new AuctionsPlus app. While there's plenty of auctions running daily, it can be easy to forget when sales are starting and ending, when you need to get your prices in ahead of an auction, and when to reoffer lots. Excitingly, available now and growing is the ability to customise the notifications you receive set up in the app. To do this, open up your AuctionsPlus app and go to the menu down on the bottom right. From there, go to the Settings cog and select Notification Settings. Here you'll see the options to opt in or out of certain notification types for each category. You can be notified about activity on your favourited listings, get a reminder to reoffer a lot before the catalogue cutoff, or to enter your prices ahead of an auction. You can also be notified when you're able to meet reserve on a lot passed into you. You'll see three types of notifications: web, SMS and app notifications. Web refers to the little bell notification you see within your app. SMS is a text, and app refers to the push notifications on your phone. So you'd get a notification on your home screen for any of those you've opted into. You can change these preferences at any time following the same simple steps. It is important to ensure you have allowed notifications through your phone settings to allow these notifications to work. You'll then have access to all your notifications in the Notification Centre through your dashboard.